Hi students, today we'll see what is Kirchhoff's second rule or voltage rule or loop rule. It states that the closed circuit, the algebraic sum of the products of the current and resistance of each part of the circuit is equal to the total EMF induced in the circuit. I repeat, this is the statement. It states that in the closed circuit, the algebraic sum of the products of the current and the resistance of each part of the circuit is equivalent to the total EMF induced in the circuit. You take two resistors which are connected in series and I applied the voltage means EMF induced in the circuit due to the external source which we are connecting is V, and I consider the current flow in the circuit is I. So V is the total amount of the voltage given to the circuit, and because it's a closed one, so current starts flowing. Two resistors I have connected in series, for example, resistors R1 and R2. So the current flows into the circuit. Whenever it is closed, the switch is closed, the current starts flowing into the circuit. When the current flows, the voltage drop across the R1, if you are considering according to the Ohm's law, V equivalent to IR. So R1 is the resistance value. So the voltage drop across that particular resistance, if you see, V equivalent to I into R1. And for the second resistor, V equivalent to I into R2. Like V1 equivalent to I into R1 and V2 equivalent to I into R2. Why I consider I as a common value? Because I have connected the resistors in series. When the components are connected in series, the current remains same. There is a variation in the voltage drop across that particular resistor. So V1 and V2 are the two voltage drops of the particular resistors R1 and R2 respectively. So V1 equivalent to I into R1, V2 equivalent to I into R2. But the total amount of EMF given is V. I have taken as V. So according to Kirchhoff's voltage rule, the sum of the voltage what you are giving externally, that is in this case V equivalent to sum of the voltage drop across each components, that is V1 plus V2, sum of. So it is V1 plus V2. So total V is equivalent to V1 plus V2. This is what Kirchhoff's voltage law. The sum of the voltage given externally to the circuit is equivalent to sum of the voltage drop across all the components present in it. Thank you.